I love walking outside during the night. It's not warm. It's not too cold either. It's like perfect. Man, 18 degrees is nice. I can see the moon. It's like soon 2 p.m. I think. I meant to say a.m. Duh. Wow, it's still like bright at 2 p.m. a.m. What is this? I'm not used to saying 2 a.m. But yeah, look at that. Wow. What up?
Hey.
I'm just chilling. I don't need clothes. Who needs clothes?
You do.
Nah.
I do. How was that now? Boom.
Machi. Yeah, just a chill Saturday. I have no gel, by the way. My hair looks like that without gel. Surprisingly enough.
Seen you wondering doing.
Just tell her to come to the Europe server, and you're there. So.
I told her that he told me to log on.
Oh. Yeah. Good girl. Good girl. You. That was weird. I didn't even want to open the door. I thought it was some weird people selling me stuff or something. So I was like, maybe it's Hobbit. I'll open anyway.
It was me. If you didn't open, I'm probably
Oh yeah, of course.
being out there.
But I was like, I don't know. Sure, I'll open. I don't care. Yeah. Bought some stuff. A lot of stuff. Some pizza. Cereal. Milk. Butter. And a lot of other things. Not really. Well, toilet paper.
That's the other thing. Or things you mentioned.
Yeah, so.
Toilet paper is a secret.
What the?
Alright.
You've got a new dog?
Yeah.
It's a stick dog. Stick dog. Aw, she doesn't want to be friends with the stick dog.
Look at my hairs on the...
Oh, the stick dog is hairy?
No, the old dog is hairy. It's sticky too.
You better be nice to it.
Be gone.
Hey, don't release it. What are you doing? He might run away. Oh, he's just chilling in there. Yeah. Goodbye, stick dog. It didn't want to come with us. Whoa. So many nettles.
They're too high too.
Yeah.
Even bending over too. That one. That
Yeah.
one is huge.
Wow. Seriously. Huge nettles. That wasn't me. It's Dora's fault.
You're the one to go.
She is so hairy. Too much fur. Too much fur. It's a nice evening. And it's not hot today. It's like 21 now. Right?
Yeah, you told her both aren't going on.